In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam black screen and what to do if you're stuck on loading. This comprehensive guide is designed to help you navigate through some common issues you might experience while using Steam, the popular gaming platform. So let's get started, and by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to tackle these problems smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open up your Steam client. You can do this by locating the Steam shortcut on your desktop or searching for it in your list of applications. Once Steam is open and running, you'll need to focus on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the word Steam in the menu bar. Go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Settings. This will open a new window filled with various options that control different aspects of your Steam experience. The next step is to look for the Interface tab on the left-hand side of this window. Click on it, and you'll be directed to settings that customize the way Steam looks and behaves. In the Interface section, you'll come across an option called Client Beta Participation. This is an important feature that allows you to opt into or out of Steam's beta updates. Click on the drop-down menu, which probably shows no beta chosen by default. By selecting this, you'll be able to choose the Steam Beta Update from the list of options. Participating in the beta program might provide you with updates that fix known bugs, including black screen issues. After making this change, it's crucial to ensure your client is fully up to date. Updates often carry patches and improvements that solve many common problems. To do this, head back to the same Steam option on the top left, and this time, look for Check for Steam Client Updates. Click on that option, and if there's an update available, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Let Steam do its thing, and after the updates are applied, restart the client. Updating and correctly configuring your Steam client settings can fix many issues such as the dreaded black screen or being stuck on the loading screen. By opting into the beta updates, you give yourself access to potential fixes before they're rolled out to all users. This proactive step can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. That's it! With these steps, you should be able to resolve the black screen and loading issues on Steam. We hope you found this video helpful and that your gaming sessions are back to being smooth and enjoyable. If you have any further questions or encounter other issues, feel free to leave a